Good day friends, this channel for mechanical engineering. This channel is your pocket dictionary of mechanical. This channel contains our basic intricate question and answer, mechanical design, software of Creo, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, ANSYS, etc. and protection and quality departments related. So please subscribe KPS Make English channel. If you like videos, please share your friends.
Hello friends, are you studying mechanical engineering? Or you go to any interview? So, very useful, commonly asked in any interview for mechanical engineering. Just 200 questions and answers. We give the 10 parts of videos. Every part 20 question and answer given. You prepare the basic knowledge for mechanical engineering interviews. Friends, this section 7. Question number 121. What does thermal diffusivity of metals signify? Answer. Thermal diffusivity is associated with the speed of propagation of heat into solids during changes in temperature with time. Question number 122. For conduction of heat, the instantaneous rate of heat flow is product of three factors. What are these? Answer. Factor 1. Area of the sections of the heat flow path perpendicular to the direction of heat flow. Second factor, temperature gradient. Example, change of temperature, WRT length of bath. Third factor, thermal conductivity of material. Question number 123. How convective heat transfer is affected and on what factors it depends? Answer. Convective heat transfer is affected between a solid and fluid by a combination of molecular conduction within the fluid in combination with energy transport resulting from the motion of fluid particles. It depends on boundary layer configuration, fluid properties and temperature difference. Question number 124. Which is the common element between brass and bronze? Answer. Copper. Question number 125. What does following alloy designation indicate? Fg250. Answer. Gray cast iron with tensile strength of 250 megapascal. Question number 126. How is ceramic defined? Answer. It is a solid formed by combination of metallic and non-metallic elements. Question number 127. Give an example of metal classified as structure. BCC for body centered cube, HCP for hexagonal closed pack, and cubic closed pack CCP. Answer. PCC structure, molybdenum structure, aluminum structure, zinc structure, copper. Question number 128. What is the name of solid solution of carbon in alpha ion and delta ion? Answer. Ferret and arsenate respectively. Question number 129. Explain the difference between perlite and cemented. Answer. Perlite light is a equitoid mixture of ferrite and cementite is chemical compound of iron and carbon. Question number 130. Give one example each of the following proportion of material dimensional, physical, technological, and mechanical. Answer: roughness, enthalpy, toughness, and hardness, respectively. Question number 131. For which parts the WHL factor and Lewis form factors used? Answer: for springs and gears, respectively. Question number 132. How oxygen can be removed from steel during melting? What are fully killed steel? Answer: oxygen can be removed by adding elements such as manganese, silicon, or aluminum, which, because of the high affinity for oxygen, react with it to form non-metallic oxides which rise into the slag. Steels which have had most of their dissolved oxygen removed are called fully killed steels. Question number 133. Hydrogen cannot be removed easily from molten steel. What harm hydrogen has on property of the steel? Answer: excessive hydrogen results in the formation of small pieces, often described as hairline cracks or flaws in the steel. Large forgings in alloy steel are particularly sensitive to this phenomenon. Question number 134. What is allotropy? In what forms of cubic pattern ion exits? Answer: some elements exist in more than one crystalline form. Each form is known as allotropy. Ion exists in two forms of cubic pattern, namely body-centered cubic and face-centered cubic. Question number 135. What is the difference between alpha ion, delta ion, and gamma ion? Answer: the PCC form of ion steels between room temperature and 910 degrees Celsius and between 1400 Celsius. The melting point 1539 degrees Celsius. The lower temperature form is known as alpha ion and the higher temperature form as delta ion. The base centered cubic form exit is between 910 degrees Celsius 1400 degrees Celsius is referred to as gamma ion. Question number 136. Metals in general are of low strength and do not possess required psychochemical and technological properties for a definite purpose. Alloys are therefore more than metals alone. Discuss the arrangement of atoms and structures of alloys. Answer: alloys are produced by melting or sintering two or more metals or metals and a non-metal together. Alloy possesses typical properties inherent in the metallic state. The chemical elements that make up an alloy are called its components. An alloy can consist of two or more components. The base and structures of alloys describe constitution, transparency, and properties of materials and alloys. A combination basis in a state of equilibrium is called a system in the same state of aggregation throughout its volume and separated from the other portions of the systems by interfaces. For instance, a homogeneous pure metal or alloy is single-phase system. A state in which a liquid alloy coexists with its crystal is a two-phase system. Structure refers to the shape, size, or the mutual arrangement of the corresponding space in metals or alloys. The structural components of an alloys are its individual portion, each having a single structure with its characteristic features. Question number 137. What is the difference between isotropic material and homogeneous material? Answer. In homogeneous material, the composition is same throughout, and in material, the electric constants are same in all directions. Question number 138. Explain the difference between the points of inflection and centroflexure. Answer. At points of inflection in a loaded beam, the bending moment is 0. And at points of conflexure in loaded beam, the bending moment changes sign from increase to decreasing. Question number 139. What is the difference between proof resolution and modulus of resilience? Answer. Proof resilience is the maximum strain energy that can be stored in a material without permanent deformation. Modulus of resilience is the maximum strain energy stored in material per unit volume. Question number 140. What is the difference between column and strut? Answer. Both column and strut carry compressive load. Column is always vertical, but stresses member of structure could carry axial compressive load in any direction. Friends, this section is over. Next section, important questions are coming. Thank you, friends.